Hmm? You just kind of hanging out in your bed on your birthday? Yeah. Hi. Hi. It's your birthday today.
Yeah.
Yep. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Oh. Well, that's no good. Looks a little blurry. Here, Mommy. You can tell you've been sleeping. You got little bed marks. All right. Well, we're going to get going here in a little bit. I love you. Happy birthday. Say, see you later. You want to wave? Bye. Bye.